The Butcher's our greatest enemy. He's responsible for the Black Monday bombings and the death of 2 million people.
It's us.
Who's us?
Aethor is letting us through to the center. You didn't get his order.
Names.
Hakon.
And you?
Aiden.
Hey! It's our man! Let him through! Lucky you can get away with the shit happening.
You ever cheat on your woman?
I never had a my woman.
Never been with anyone? For real?
Not everyone's a horn dog like you, Hakon.
Yeah, unfortunately. But I get it. Always hauling your ass from one town to the next. No chance to get involved with anyone.
And what about you? Do you ever have someone? For reals?
Me? Relationship. Well, those times I told you about. I tried. Really, each time thinking this was the one. Or two. But then one time, I found the real deal. But it ended. I hurt her. And I didn't want to make it worse.
Noble of you.
Shit. What was that? That didn't sound good.
What the hell was that?
Nothing good, I bet.
Do we wait?
We need to press on. All the ventilators have shut down, and without them we won't survive here long.
Chemical fumes. How much time we got?
Fuck all, or even less. There should be a ventilation panel in the service tunnel. Go there and try and get it going while I see what can be done about those power surges.
I hope you know electricity as well as you know women.
Keeping a wise ass like that, you see where it gets you, little punk. The ventilation panel is there.
It's not working. The chemical fumes are getting thicker and thicker.
Fucking shit. Cables. Follow the cables. Should take you to the backup generator. It's got to be there.
Okay. Okay, I'm turning it on. Oh, shit. Just sputters out right away. Can you hear me? I'm by the generator, but I can't turn it on.
Overloaded, I'm guessing. There's a solution, but you won't like it.
Just tell me.
We need to turn off one of the sections. I can plug it directly to the fans.
Why won't I like it?
I have to disconnect the lights. All lights. You will have to walk in the dark.
Let's try it.
You're sure?
Of course I'm not sure. We have a choice?
Okay. On 3. 1, 2.
3. Come on.
Go, go, go! You look... Hey, kid, you okay? Talk to me.
Relax, old man. I'm fine.
Watch who you're calling old man, kiddo.
How about next time you do the running?
Yeah, well, I always prefer to have my ass driven. We should keep doing what we're best at. You do the running, I do the thinking.
What about the power? Will it stay on?
I think it just might. If I had a week to spare, I could fix them all up. With one hand up my ass.
Hakon, will the power stay on or not?
It should. Let's go easy, like. So the fans get a chance to pull that shit from other parts of the tunnel. I know this place well. The station was out of service long before the epidemic broke out.
Feels weird in here.
In the olden days, me and my boys would come here to hang. No way. Hey, come look at this.
What is that?
John Michael Novak.
What?
An old friend of mine. You can find his graffiti all over town. Cool stuff. There should be one more over here.
You hear that?
Nah, you're hearing things.
I'll check it out. Make sure it's not the last thing either of us hear. Stay put for now, yeah?
Hurry! Come on!
No. Fuck, no!
Something must have gone to shit up top, Aiden. That didn't sound good at all. Fucking wonderful. Give me the GRE key. I'll try to open the barriers. I know what to do.
How's this gonna help you?
You've used it to open a few things already, right? These barriers are GRE made as well, like I said. I'll find the control room and use this to open the barriers.
Yeah, but you're trapped.
There are hatches into the service tunnel on this side. I look for the control room. Give me the key, unless you want us both to choke to death.
All right, fine. Here.
I'll check the nearest hatch. We'll get out. Cabby's word.
Hakon? Hakon? Hakon, where are you? Don't leave me here. Motherfucker.
Shit, it doesn't work here either. Okay, wait. I have one more idea.
What? No, don't you fucking dare bail on me.
Trust me.
How can you expect that, Hakon? For fuck's sake! Hakon, don't leave me here. Oh, God damn it. You better come up with something. Fast. And here I thought I'd start to get lonely. Hakon, do you copy? Hakon, answer me. Shit! Hello? I'm in the station. What are you doing here?
Aita sent me. Where's your pal?
Hakon went to unlock the barriers.
Wonder why you do that. Wait a bit longer. I'll pull you out in a sec.
Hurry. My infection's redlining. I'm getting ready to turn.
This will tide you over.
Thanks.
Aiden, I'm back. Finally. Here, take these charges. A technical corridor runs alongside the tracks.
You want me to blow up the wall?
Any better ideas? Our time is really running out.
You seen Hakon anywhere?
No,
Getting the feeling he fucked me over.
you're not the first or the last. Stop! Antizin.
I'm still holding on.
That still will end shortly. A fast learner. Good. Now go. I'm heading back to the exit.
Piece of shit. Grab him before the PK come back. You see, gents? Seek and ye shall find. I told you, wherever that ass Hakon is, the little prick Aiden won't be far behind.
What have you done to Hakon?
Hakon? Not a man. Just roughed him up a bit. Then he ran off. You, though, won't be so lucky. You see, there's not many in this world I hate more than PKs. But you are a twofer. A traitor and a thief. You stole the water from us, you rat bastard. Now, I'll stick your head on a pike and wave it at your buddy Hater.
Get out of my way. Last warning.
Oh no, I'm so scared I think I just pooped my drawers. Am I supposed to let it slide that you fucked over my sister? That you crawled over to kiss those soldiers' asses and that you stole our drinking water? I wish I had killed Lucas. But now I think, fuck him. What matters is, I get to kill you. Take him. Give the water to the PK dogs, huh? Gonna make you breathe! There! Now I'm this, motherfucker! Time to play!
traitor! I'm gonna kill you, traitor! Take that, pilgrim!
Oh, shit. That's why the electricity went out. It blew up the windmill. Anderson, I'm outside.
I really hope so. But, we'll have to see.
What happened?
I'm stuck in a lift. I thought the generators were working.
Where are you?
Ada has some people on the way. I'm just hoping they can make it before my biomarker turns red.
Well, take the antizin and wait. I'll come get you.
Oh, look. I got my own personal knight in shining armor.
You saved me, I save you. Now where are you?
Lift to the extraction point.
I don't go anywhere.